Microwave and air fryer aside, there are 5 basic cooking methods that anyone can master. First up, sauté. You'll need a pan with low sides and a wide, large bottom. A large frying pan will do the trick. Heat a small amount of oil in the pan. Then add your food. When choosing foods to sauté, consider the different sizes and cook times of each item. For example, when making mixed vegetables, harder foods like carrots and peppers will need more time to cook and should be added first before adding softer foods like onions and garlic, so everything cooks evenly. Make sure that each piece can touch the bottom of the pan, being careful not to overcrowd. Stir occasionally, allowing food to brown until tender and cooked through. Tip: always use heat-resistant plastic, silicone, or wooden cookware on nonstick pans to prevent scratching the nonstick coating on the pan. Next up, stir-fry. Stir-frying is similar to sautéing, but cooks food more quickly. Using a pan with a wide bottom, heat cooking oil on high until it begins to sizzle. Then add in protein and veggies. We're using chicken and vegetables. And stir frequently until cooked through. Another tip: when choosing an oil, consider the cooking temperature you'll be using. Low-temperature oils are great for sautéing, but can burn more easily. Smoke is a sign of burnt oil, which is not only unhealthy, but adds an undesirable flavor as well. Choose higher-temperature oils for activities like stir-frying. They can take the heat. Here's a handy sample of oil types and how to best use them. Next up, roast. Roasting uses high temperatures and the dry heat of the oven to caramelize and brown food for incredible flavor. Spread veggies, like these Brussels sprouts, out on a sheet pan, taking care not to overcrowd. Season and pop them in the oven. Then there's baking. Baking is similar to roasting in that it uses the dry heat of the oven, but at lower temperatures to bake up desserts and breads like this confetti cornbread. Last up is broiling. Broiling uses dry heat at very high temperatures from heating elements at the top of the oven. That's the secret to getting these Parmesan zucchini coins so crispy. Adjust the oven rack to its top position. Slide the pan in and keep an eye on it. Food burns easily at these high temps. Take care when removing food from the oven as well. Mitts required. Now that you have the method, it's time to taste the magic.